take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do the tutorial. It takes about an hour, but the tutorial, in which Lamar takes you on a few missions, is a vital introduction to different aspects of GTA Online. The two biggest progression systems in GTA Online are cash and RP, reputation points.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Buy a decent car and a garage. Thanks to its great traction, it's a superb choice for races. Make sure you invest in loss theft prevention to ward other users off nicking your shiny new motor, too. You'll also want to invest in a garage to keep your cars safe.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Let your friend join the online game mode first by selecting the option from the story mode. Do not use the online option as the game loads in. Then once your friend has chosen to launch GTA Online, he will be prompted to which he would like to do before joining. Select friends only session and then once in game, he.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.